If you did catch my video earlier here today, then you are aware of my $67 price target here for DJT before the election. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I did promise everyone out there a easy money put option. As you all know, our easy money call option has performed pretty well. Let me refresh your memory here really quickly. But while I do this, ladies and gentlemen, can you please drop down in that description below, drop a comment. It really does help the channel grow. Not only that, leave a like on the channel. We're trying to get at least 150 likes here on today's video. Now, what we did actually get is that $30 strike, ladies and gentlemen, around $2.95. That's how much it was going for then, and now it's currently going for $21.57. That's what you call a home run play. And like I told you guys before, I'm going to be giving you a great gem here in today's video. Just stick around. Also, we're going to talk about here PHUN. As you all know, PHUN has been on a major retracement from its peak thanks to front office announcements. Okay, DJT has any announcements at all since this rally. No bad announcements, let's say that. PHUN, on the other hand, announcing the new CEO, also announcing that they did actually, as you guys can see here, they terminated that $30 million purchase agreement. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is the type of news that do derail momentum. Not only that, here in PHUN, this thing does have a much lower share float than DJT, and this is why I told you guys this one is going to come with much more risk. Is going to trade at a wider range of gain. So with that being said, PHUN, is this thing done? Stick around, you're going to find out as well. But we got to go back to DJT. We're going to leave PHUN for the end. But far as DJT goes, like I told you guys before, that easy money put option. Before we get into that, guys, I just want to give you my end of the day price prediction for tomorrow. I do expect to see buying pressure rolling to DJT early off in tomorrow's pre-market trading, but I don't suggest to buy this thing right away in tomorrow's pre-market trading. I would wait and see how the market reacts to the opening share price, because I do expect also aggressive short selling right at the open, just like we received here today. With that being said, if we do continue to see these stacked short positions here in DJT, the closer we get towards the election, the more volatile that the stock is going to move. As you guys can see here, huge retracement right at the open, but we did recover. We're currently above that upper on the Bollinger Band, which does come with high risk, but like I told you guys before, DJT is solely trading off of speculation for this election. But that's why this easy money put option is needed, just in case things do go sour. And ladies and gentlemen, like I said, that easy money put option here is 11/22 is the expiration, and that strike is at $40. Okay, we got the $40 strike at the 11/22, ladies and gentlemen. If we take a brief look and check out our price calculator here really quickly, a great tool that Moomoo offers. Again, this is why I suggest for you guys to give the trading platform Moomoo a try. It comes with a lot of tools, and don't forget to use my sign up link in the description below. It really does come with a lot of perks, those 15 free stocks. Now let's say the share price actually gets to $30 here, which I do feel as though that it's going to go even lower than that by 8 days, let's say 12 days away from expiration. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you would be actually being close to 50% in gain off of that alone. This is the exact same price calculator that we used on the easy money call option here in DJT. But again, if we see this thing, let's say by the 9th, 4 days after the election, well, that Friday, this thing dips by, well, the 8th. By Friday, this thing dips by $30, ladies and gentlemen, well, 51% on your position. With that being said, this is a great way to hedge your position, your long position, just in case things start to go sour really quickly. Then you can cut your losses or cut your gains on your long position and make some money on the way down. This is a great way to strategically make money through the stock market, ladies and gentlemen. Not only that, it does minimize risk and it maximizes gain. Last but not least, PHUN. With today's retracement, we're going to be a full day of SSR for sure here tomorrow. We were SSR here today, the entire trading day, due to the pre-market drop. And in case you guys don't know, in order for a stock to become short sale restricted, it has to fall 10% lower than the previous close. That's exactly what happened here in PHUN and then some. We do expect here pretty soon to see a short cover wave, especially with them actually announcing that purchase agreement being terminated. That's the type of news that will give shorts the motivation to actually hold their position, and that's exactly what happened here. We did expect a short cover wave, but we didn't get that buying pressure at all in the pre-market, which only gives shorts motivation and more reason to hold. It's just like a long, guys. If you turn this chart upside down, you will understand exactly what I'm talking about. So with that being said, that's like, for instance, if you seen this thing running up in the pre-market, you wouldn't sell it, right? So basically it's running up in the pre-market for short, so they're not planning on selling it throughout the day, right? Why would they? They're getting in gains. But fails SSR here. Slight return, but ladies and gentlemen, it seems as though that PHUN may find itself in a much larger short cover wave here towards the end of the week than actually expected, because we're seeing these short positions stack here. Today's short sell analysis, even though that we were short sell restricted, we do see slight time for uptick for those short positions to be actually placed. So it's going to be very interesting PHUN short sell analysis data here today. I will be updating that over on my second YouTube channel, which is called Grandmaster-obi. Make sure you guys check that out, and may the gains be with you.